Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we have the GQ box. Hey, this is for men and we're going to pop in here and see what we got for the man. And let me tell you a little bit about the GQ box. This box is $47.50 a box and it's 4 quarterly boxes. It says save 20 and you can get it for $42.50 a box. And so there is a coupon on this. I'm reading their website right now, so if you're interested in this, you can save with save 20 and you can cancel anytime. And they also have a subscribe now and get a free bonus, and it is a nice pair of sunshades. It's on tour sunglasses, an $85 value, and you can get that whether you're doing the annual billing or the quarterly. Now the quarterly is $50 a box, and what I just told you was the annual. So you would be billed for the full year on the annual billing. That is the best deal. And on the quarterly box, you pay $50 a box. You can still save 20 and you can pay 30. You can save 20 and that will make your first box only $30. So that's kind of a great buy. And of course you can cancel anytime, and you also get the free Way on Tour sunshades for $85. So that's kind of a pretty good deal. So usually we're going to have 6 to 8 items. It doesn't really tell us how many items we're actually going to have in this box. So I'll just have to we'll just go through it. But I think you usually get like 6 or 7, maybe 8. We get quite a bit, and it is for the men in your life, and there'll be some items in here that I'm sure us women can use as well. So without any further going on, let's find out what we got. This is the inside of our box. We've got us a product card on top there, and this is the summer 2023 box. And that's kind of a hint of what we're going to have in here. So, all right. It says it's a $225 value. So, for $50, in my case, $47 or $42, because I am on an annual contract. And I got it for a little bit less. And this is our product card. So, we've got some nice things in here. The first thing I'm pulling out of here is... well, let's go with the first thing that they're showing. They're showing the Boulder Solid Pine Swim Trunks. It's a $90 value, but you have to redeem them. So here's how to redeem your Go to Summer Swim Trunks. And it says on here that our favorite trunks right now, these have a $90 value, and apparently we have to read this, flip over to redeem your Bather Swim Trunks. I like the way they look. So it looks like we have to order to get the preferred size. That's kind of nice that they just don't throw a pair in there and then it doesn't fit you. So you can order your preferred size by visiting that website, and then you use your promo code. And then it says availability, specific sizes is limited, so redeem yours as soon as possible. It says tax and shipping is included. Offer expires on 10/31/23. So I've got plenty of time to get some swim trunks for my husband. I just don't know if they'll be here before our trip, but I think that's really cool. All right, guys. So swim trunks, and we get to pick our own size. Now, why they just didn't let us customize our size, I don't know. But anyway, that's how they did it. The next item that I'm seeing is an Up West washed baseball cap with a $28 value, and that is right here. And who doesn't like a baseball cap? I know my husband wears them all the time. And a $28 value, that's pretty good. So far, my $47 or $42 has really paid off. And that's a nice denim hat. And it's by Up West. And it is adjustable in the back, and it just sits right on your head. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I can even wear that. So I like that. Our next item is Riddle Oil Sandtail Roll-On, and that has a $58 value, and maybe that's in this package right here. Let me see here. Yeah, Riddle is right here. It's in this little packet, and it is a Sandtail roll-on. It's a $58 value, and it is a fragrance that smells great. It's fresh and woody. So let's see what it smells like. Oh, yeah, that is going to smell good. I wonder if my husband will like it. That could be unisex, because I like it on me. That smells good. Oh, I like that. Very good. All right, our next item is in a little pouch. In this little pouch, and it is a shark beaded bracelet, and it has a $24 value. So kind of getting us ready for the beach and for summer. And oh, it's shark beaded. So I guess those are shark beads on there. Pretty interesting. Let's see how it looks on. This is something I could wear too if he doesn't want to wear it. I don't think my husband wears too many bracelets or jewelry type things. So, but one of my grandsons might like that too. I have one that loves sharks, and Jacob might be interested in that just for the fact that it's shark beaded. But isn't that really nice? I like that. And the next item I'm pulling out is Explorer Classic Cold Brew Concentrate. And that is in this little sealed packet for safety. And let's see what it is. It's the Classic Cold Brew Concentrate. It's an Explorer is the brand. It's a $40.49 value. And if your bulk buy Java isn't hitting, I guess we had that Java last time around, isn't hitting the same anymore, you need coffee with a little bit of oomph, it says. So each bottle of Explorer's Cold Brew Concentrate is made from a blend of different coffee blends in it. I'm having a little bit of trouble reading it. It's against that white there, and it's hard for me to read. So I'm going to put it up here so I can read it without a glare on it. It is made from a blend of Ethiopian beans and subtle nutty flavor. Packs nearly 2 espressos in one shot worth of caffeine. Simply stir into 6 to 8 ounces of water, sip, and then spin through that jam box like an Energizer bunny on speed. Okay, wow. Well, I guess that's got so much caffeine in it, it's going to be like drug induced. And I'm going to have to take this hat off. It's making me hot. All right, guys, the next item we have is an Egyptian Magic Skin Cream. And that is right here. And it says it's magic and it's sealed, and I'm not going to open it up. But this is what it is. It is a $26 value. This is a multi-purpose balm that you can put anywhere needed, like your lips, your elbows. If you got a little bit of, maybe cracked foot down there, you could even use it there. It is anywhere you need a little bit of hydration. And it's Egyptian Magic, so that ought to be cool. I wonder if that would compare to Carmex. Better, maybe. We'll see. I might try that out. And our next item is Youth to People's Super Clay Purify, and this is a clear powder mask. And so I wonder what it means by clear powder. Does that mean it's just going to be in powder form? That's what I'm thinking. I don't know which way to open it. It's sealed. That's nice to know. And it is a clay mask. So it's out of clay, and this is going to be a purifying mask for sure. So that is kind of nice. A little small, a little thing that you can take with you on vacation too. It's stored real easily. So that's very nice. It had a $38 value. Wow. The next item is a Coco Star Foot Therapy. And that is right here. So we're going to have a foot therapy, and this you would put on your feet. They're going to be like little socks. They're paraben-free foot exfoliant wrap, and these are very nice. I think we've gotten these before, and very nice, and it's the perfect time. And we just may take that with us on our trip so he can exfoliate his feet after he gets on the beach. So let's see here. The next item we have is a momentous $25 gift card. And it says it's no Mentos, and this is $25 off site-wide. livethemomentous.com. And this is a trusted world-class expert and record-setting athletes portfolio of supplements and sports nutrition designed to help you train harder, sleep better, and recover faster. So that's something else that I get to to use. So I have a gift card to use, and I think that's the last item. Yeah, the other items in the box are just some advertisements for GQ itself, and you can save on the magazine. And then this is just a great gift for Father's Day, so they're going to have a Father's Day box put together. And then they've got a card in here for the ocean, so probably for helping keep it. So that's what we got, and that is all that's in here. We do have a card on the Egyptian magic. It's 100% natural formula with honey and olive oil, so that's what's inside this here. It hydrates and nourishes the skin, used as a face moisturizer, aftershave, beard balm, hand cream, lip balm, and more, which I had talked about. It said the elbows and other rough spots on your skin, and you can save 20% off if you find that it's a product that you really like, or if you all want to try it for your man or for yourself, then there it is. So that is my box for GQ, and it looks like there's another coupon. We get an Up West, there's a 25% off if you want to go on there and maybe look at some caps and other fishing gear or hunting gear that they might have. Up West, you can save 25% if you want to use that code there. And I don't know, I think it's a pretty good box this time. This is a good summer box. Now, as a recap, I'm going to get $25 off at the Momentous gift store, and we can pick out supplements and things like that. I've got to get my husband's size, which I know what it is, and I'll get him a pair of these swim trunks. That was a $90 value. We had this roll-on riddle that had the, oh, it smells good. I don't remember what the scent was, but it smells good, I can tell you that. It was woody is what it said, but it's not overbearing. It's very nice. I like that. I like that for me. And we had this caffeine cold classic brew that is concentrated, and it's going to really kick butt, so to speak, if you need some energy. And we've got this Egyptian balm. We had the Y2P clay mask, and it's a super clay purify mask. And then we had our foot therapy, which is excellent. And then we had this cap that I had on, and I'm going to keep it off because it made my head hot. But that was my GQ box. What's your favorite item? Oh my goodness, one of my favorite items is this right here, because I like the way it smells, and I like the cap because both these things I can use, and of course my husband can use it too. And he would probably like the swim trunks, and he might be interested in this because that sounds really cool for your lips and other, elbows and things like that. So, and he may even like this concentrated caffeine. I don't know that I would drink that. I drink a lot of coffee as it is, so I don't know if I need more. Oh, and this bracelet was really cute. So I don't know. What do y'all think? Did I even do a proper recap? I don't know. I think I forgot to show y'all the bracelet. That was actually pretty cool. So that's my GQ box. Let me know what your favorite item is. And be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways or anything that's currently going on. And I guess that's all I have for the GQ box. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.